Hey guys, so last lecture we saw how to create a account alias. So now we are going to log in with the IAM user that we created earlier. So I have opened that Excel sheet that I downloaded when I create IAM user. So you can copy this sign in URL and paste it in browser. You can see instead of account ID, it is taking that account alias. Okay, so here you need to provide IAM user name, password, click sign. Okay, as you can see, I have logged into IAM user with the given username and password. I will later change this password. Yeah, so since this password is exposed in this video, this password is not going to work on next time. So I'm going to change this password. So in this lecture, we are going to see IAM user and groups. Let me go to IAM. So you can see root user has MFA, but in security recommendation I can see the recommendation is to add MFA to IAM user. We can do that, but that's a security best practice to add MFA for even for IAM user. But that's fine. I'm not going to add MFA for now. So here you can see there is a user that we created in a root account and it has a admin permission. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a separate user. Let's say developer tab user and provide a console access. So if you check this, it is you are providing a management console. This is a console. Okay, whenever you're accessing AWS through browser, that's a console. So let me create a new user. So let me run check this next. So this developer only need S3 read only permission. So I'm only going to give. We will see policies later. So for demonstration purpose, let me add a S3 read only. Okay. So uh, yeah, so we can even log in with this IAM user, but this IAM user only have you can even download the CSV file and then log in with this user, but this user only has S3 read only access. Okay, so this how you create a user and add a policy so that you can use username and password to log in that user, and you only get this whatever the permissions is attached to that user. So this is user creation, and there is another option called groups. Okay, so we can use user groups to centralize the permission. So why do we need to use a group? So we don't have to attach directly to the users a separate policy. So we can have one group, like let's say I create a dev group. Okay, so this is a demo one user is a admin user, so I'm not going to add admin. So I'm going to use add a dev user. Okay, and let's say whichever dev user logged in, they should have any one like let's say EC2 access read only. So I'm going to use read only EC2 read only for this group, not the user. This is a group. So I have created a group with one of the attached policy. So and I also added the user, right? So this dev user, if you click this dev user, this user has two policies. One policy is attached directly, and another is inherited from group. So if you can see, yeah, see this user has two policies, and one is attached via group, and one is attached directly. Okay, so that even you can attach the S3 read only from the group, so that you don't have to directly attach. Let's say if I delete this, remove this, okay, and I go to user groups, and whoever in this group, they should get EC2 read only and S3 read only policy. So so I'm going to add permission. So yeah, I have added two policies. One is EC2 read only, S3 read only in this group. So if you go to the users, so this is user. I think I attached directly, isn't it? Yeah. Sorry guys. So let me remove what user groups pro. So here you need to add permissions. Permissions touch policy. So this time S3 read only touch policy. So same user can be in different groups as well. So let's say this dev user is in this user. So let's check the policy first. So if you check the dev user, see there's two policies attached to a dev group. Let's say um, in user group I add the demo user who's admin. So in this group, so let's open the dev group. So here you can add that admin user. So now you can see in dev group we have two users. Okay, so if you click demo user, even though he has the admin policy, he has S3 read only policy as well attached from group. So this is not correct way, but this is only for demonstration purpose because still the admin has admin permission. Adding this EC2 and S3 only doesn't make sense. So I am showing only for demonstration purpose, which means one user can be in different group. So I'm going to create admin group. So I'm going to add this admin here. Okay. So attach admin permissions here. So I have. So you can see that demo one user is in this admin group as well, and then dev group as well. So if you click demo users permission, you can see we have attached admin permission both directly and with group. So instead of adding directly, we can attach the policy in groups, okay, and then add that user into this groups, and then so we can also add user can be in multiple groups, which means this dev user also can be in test group like that. Okay, guys, that's it for this lecture. Thank you.